how to use college player stats for faster picks on PrizePicks. To use college to use college player stats for faster picks on PrizePicks, let's say you've been trying to basically pick a player from college player stats, right? For faster picks, you have to just make sure to check their recent game stats. Focus on points, rebounds, assists on basketball, or passing, rushing, and receiving yards on football. Now analyze matchups. Evaluate the opponent's defensive rankings and recent performance against similar type of players. Look at consistency. Prioritize players with stable production over multiple games. Consider team role. Select key players who are central to their team's offense or game plan. You should also try to use projections. For that, compare PrizePicks projections with stats from trusted sources like ESPN or NCAA leaderboards. You could also watch for trends, identify players on hot streaks or with favorable game conditions, and you can quickly align these stats with projections to make efficient college player picks. This way, you should be able to go ahead and then use college player stats for faster picks on PrizePicks. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.